Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I am Miss Durdana from ASF Public School and College, Karachi. Assignment week is 6, class prep, day Monday, subject English. Monday topic is sky, grass and root letters. Written word will be done 2 times on copy. Dear student, I am Ms. Durdana, as you know, from preschool, and this work will be done on Monday. First of all, I would like to tell you this week we are sending to you 5-day work. Day by day you have to do the different work, okay? So this one objective is a student will be able to write sky, grass and root letters. Come on the topic. First I will tell you definition of sky, grass and root letters. First point is this, listen to me. Concept of sky, grass, root letters, the English language, the terms root, grass and sky letters are applied to the letters of the lower case alphabet only, although one could in theory claim that all capital letters should be sky letters. Why this is will become clear in a moment. Second point is root letters are those letters on which the lower part of the letters reach below the lines the letters is written on. The letters to which this term applies are G, J, P, Q and Y. Third point is this, grass letters are the letters simply sitting on the line without reaching below and not exceeding a certain height. For example, all grass letters are of the same height. Point number 4 is the following letters are consequently all grass letters A, C, E, I. The dot above the I does not count. M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Point 5 is this there. For the sky letters, one has to imagine a line going across the top edge of the grass letters or the letters which have an upper part reaching above this imaginary line are called sky letters. Point number 6 is there. This term is therefore applied to the letters B, D, F, H, K, L and T. Another way to define sky letters would be to say that their height equals the height of capital letters. Point 7 is this. This is also the reason why one may wish to refer to capital letters as sky letters, although this is not generally done. So dear student, it's very easy. So come on that topic, look at this slide, sky letter, grass letter, root letters. Okay, you can see on this sky letter will come upper 3 line and 7 letters are sky letters. Grass letters will come in middle 2 lines. Okay, and 13 letters are grass letters and root letters will in lower 3 lines and 5 letters are root letters. Okay, so dear student, you will write same as it is work 2 times on English copy. Okay, same as it is. Okay, you can follow it. Okay, sky, grass letters, root letters. Okay, first write the date and H work, then you will copy down this work. Okay, come on. Next will be Tuesday. Tuesday work, write A to Z capital with the small letters, A to Z capital with the small letter. Okay, on worksheet page number 4. So dear student, you will write the capital and small letters with correct formation. You can see this on this map, A to Z capital with a small letter. Then you will open the worksheet page number 4 and write the capital with a small letter. And objective is there, student will be able to write the capital and small letters with correct. Next day is Wednesday. Wednesday work, fill the missing small and capital letters worksheet pages number 5 and 6. So student, you will write the capital and small missing letters with correct formation. You can see in this chart A to Z capital with small letter, and then come on the page number 5, open it, worksheet pad, and write the missing small letter. Then you will again come on the next page, page number 6. You will write the missing capital letters over there. And student, objective is student will be able to write the missing letters. Is it clear? Now come. Next day is Thursday. Thursday work will fill in the missing alphabets worksheet page number 7. So dear student, you will write the missing alphabet with correct formation worksheet page number 7. You can see this chart, A to Z small letters chart, and then come on the page number 7 and write the missing alphabet. Okay, so there is objective, student will be able to write the missing. Come on the next day is Friday. Friday work, write the small letters worksheet page number 8. So dear student, you will write the small letters with correct formation, and then see this map, A to Z small letter map, and then open the page number 8 of worksheet. Then you will write the small letters. Okay, you can follow it. Okay, now this one objective is student will be able to write the small letters. Dear student, this week we are sending 5-day work, Monday till Friday. Day by day you have to do the work and following pages number of worksheet and English copy also there added. And then I hope you will enjoy on this work, and we will continue on next week with new lesson. So dear student, thank you.